Explanation of print settings and print mode. Here are two triggering methods. One is auto print. It prints once at a certain distance without any induction signal. Signal interval can set the interval distance. The unit is mm. Another one is external signal. It prints once at a time through photoelectric sensor. Then the encoder, which synchronizes the conveyor data. When we use encoder, we need to turn it on and set the parameters according to the encoder specifications. Next is the setting of repeat print. When we use external signal sensing, it can be printed multiple times. The settings in order are repeat times and interval distance, equivalent to content spacing of 83 mm, repeated printing 3 times. This is reciprocate print. Generally, it is used rarely, so I want to explain it here.